Exercise 10.1. The first question is represent graphically a displacement of 40 kilometers 30 degrees east of north. For this, I will explain. First, we need to draw north, south, east, west directions. So, I will draw graph for this. So, I am giving here. It is north and it is south, east and west. In the question, they are asking 40 kilometers. What is the 40 kilometers? That kilometers represent magnitude. In the question, they are given 30 degrees east of north. So, we need to identify 30 degrees north towards east. So, from the meaning of this is from north towards east. So, from north 30 degrees. I will take here approximately this is 30 degrees from the north and towards east. So, this line satisfies the given question. 30 degrees east of north is from north 30 degrees towards east. So, this is the required line from origin. I will mark it as P. So, O to P is the OP bar. It is the vector. O to P is OP bar. It is vector. On this vector, we need to identify the magnitude 40 kilometers. I will take each centimeter as 10 kilometers. So, I got here 40 kilometers. The scale is let 1 centimeter is equals to 10 kilometers. Therefore, OP bar is the required vector. The second question is classify the following measures as scalars and vectors. In that, the first is 10 kg. Kg represents magnitude. Before going to this, I'll give definition for vector. What is vector? Vector is a physical quantity. It has both magnitude and direction. A physical quantity, when it has both magnitude and direction, then it is called vector. Otherwise, when it has only magnitude, then it is called scalar. Scalar, it is vector. Scalar means only it has magnitude. Now we go for the questions. 10 kg. 10 kg represents magnitude. So it has only magnitude. In this there is no direction. So it is only scalar, not vector. Therefore, it is scalar. Now go for the second question. The second question is 2 meters north to west. 2 meters. Meters represent magnitude and north to west, it represents direction. So, this 2 meters north to west, it is a quantity, it having both magnitude and direction. Therefore, it is vector. Next, go for the third question. 40 degrees. It has a degree represent only magnitude. In this, there is no direction. So, it is scalar. Go for the next question. 40 watts. These watts represent magnitude. Only magnitude. In this, there is no direction. So, it is scalar. Next, coming to the next question. 10 to the power of minus 19 coulomb. You check only this measurement. What is this coulomb? Coulomb represent magnitude. In this, no direction. So, it is scalar. Go for the last question. 20 meter per second square. So, here we have meter represents magnitude. Meter per second means it's moving. So, it's moving means it's moving forward or reverse, up or down. So, it represents direction also. It is acceleration. This acceleration has magnitude and direction. So, therefore, it is vector. Third question is classify as scalars and vectors quantities. The first question is time period. Time period actually it is a quantity. So, example, I am taking 60 seconds. These seconds represent only magnitude. So, it has only magnitude. In this, no direction. Suppose it represents any 60 seconds, not any direction if they mention, it is vector. But they didn't mention the direction. It has only seconds. That is magnitude. So, the time period is scalar. Next, coming to second question. Distance. Distance is a quantity. So, for example, I am taking 2 kilometers. I didn't mention any direction. I am taking only 2 kilometers. This kilometer represent magnitude. In this, no direction. So, it is scalar. Distance is scalar. Next, coming to third one, force. For example, I am taking this as object. I am applying force on this towards down. So, this down is direction and work is magnitude. So, it has magnitude and direction. Therefore, force is vector. Coming to the next one, velocity. For example, I am taking the velocity 2 meter per second. This meter represent magnitude and per second it has direction. So, it is moving. Per second it is moving. This moving means it has direction. So, it has both magnitude and direction. It is vector. Velocity is vector. Coming to the last one, work done. Work done is, it has only magnitude. There is no direction. It has magnitude. So, work done is